Hey everyone, and welcome back to Prosper Mentor. Are you ready to make 2025 your best year yet? I know I am. There's just something so electrifying about a brand new year. A fresh start, a chance to make our dreams a reality. Today, we're diving deep into the art of setting goals and actually achieving them. We're talking actionable tips, powerful mindset shifts, and all the good vibes you need to crush it in 2025. So grab your favorite notebook and pen, get comfy, and let's dive right in. A goal without a plan is just a wish. You know I love a good quote, and this one by the great Antoine de Saint-Exupéry really hits home. Because it's true, isn't it? Just wishing for something rarely, if ever, makes it happen. We need to get crystal clear on what we want, and I mean truly connect with that deep down desire. To trust yourself to test your limits, that's the courage to succeed. What lights you up inside? What makes you feel excited to jump out of bed in the morning? Those are the questions that will lead you to your most powerful goals. Once you're clear on your why, the how becomes so much easier. Trust me. Now, let's talk strategy. You've heard it before, and for a good reason. SMART goals are where it's at. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to start a business this year, how about I'm going to launch my online store selling handmade jewelry by June 1st, 2025 and make at least 10 sales in the first month. See the difference? When you get specific, you give yourself a roadmap to success. You can break it down into smaller steps, track your progress, and celebrate those milestones along the way. You know, I'm all about learning from every experience, and that includes our so-called failures. Remember that time I decided to learn how to surf? Let's just say it involved a whole lot of salt water, a few bruised knees, and a healthy dose of humility. But you know what? I learned so much from that experience. I learned about perseverance, about pushing past my comfort zone, and about the pure joy of getting back up when you wipe out. The same goes for your goals. Not everything will go perfectly according to plan. And that's okay. Embrace the detours. Learn from the challenges, and use them as fuel to propel you forward. All right, let's get practical. One of the most effective ways to stay on track with your goals is to track your progress. This could mean creating a vision board, using a planner, setting up a spreadsheet, or finding an app that works for you. Personally, I love a good old-fashioned handwritten journal. There's something so powerful about putting pen to paper and seeing your progress unfold right before your eyes. Whatever method you choose, make it a habit to check in with yourself regularly. Celebrate your wins, big or small, and use any setbacks as opportunities to adjust your approach. Let's be real. Staying motivated is key, especially when things get tough. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's friends, family, or a group of like-minded individuals who lift you up and cheer you on. Remember to celebrate your wins along the way. Did you crush a milestone? Did you push past a fear? Acknowledge your efforts and give yourself permission to feel proud. And most importantly, never ever give up on your dreams. You've got this. And that's a wrap. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel super inspired to make 2025 your most epic year yet. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Now I want to hear from you. What goals are you most excited to achieve this year? Share your dreams in the comments below. Let's create a ripple effect of inspiration and support. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on prospering to become your greatest self. I'll see you in the next one.